The Trinamool Congress Meghalaya held a block committee meeting at Mowkaiaw in the Jaintia Hills on the 16th of July 2022. The event witnessed the presence of TMC Meghalaya State President Charles Pyngrope, the TMC Meghalaya leader Dr. Mukul Sangma, TMC Meghalaya MLA George B Lyngdoh, TMC Meghalaya leader James Lyngdoh, besides MDCs from the Garo Hills, party workers and supporters. After addressing the audience, Charles Pyngrope, the state president, and Dr. Mukul Sangma inaugurated the TMC party office at Laskein. TMC Meghalaya leader Dr. Mukul Sangma, who had spoken extensively about the flawed misgovernance being carried out by the MDA government, also expressed concerns for the people of the state who have been staging protests from time to time against what he termed the proxy BJP government's apathy towards their grievances.
If we try to hear the voices of our people from the ground zero in those affected areas along the Meghalaya-Assam border, we know that people's anguish and frustration are mounting day by day.
Even same way, we let Pataki, ya Tindai, the power of Ikanamba, he papa to Emma to the power, York, in the toy, but he power,
The government of the day, which was responsible to stand by the people, protect and defend our people, have betrayed our people. Government after government has tried to resolve these problems.
Sorgar, Gobi the Sorgar, Hadina Gobi the Sorgar. The Chimki Pilan will solve or Pyngrope, you can get in air, we talk about the border issue.
And when we had the privilege to be in the government since 2010 to 2018.
Hadin where EME Kakabubo Emaka Sorkar, the dose then Arhajan
2010 to 2018.
Our Emka Sorkar, the Arhajat Chipao, her dose then Arhajat Kapra.
We were confronted by a number of challenges in as far as the border problem is concerned.
The state president of the TMC, Charles Pyngrope, while addressing the gathering, urged upon the people of Mukul to join the TMC's Be the Change campaign and become agents for change for Mukul in particular and the state in general.